guys, today we're going to be opening these L.o.l cards and we have a book to collect them in.
Show us the book. Yes, get started, guys. You might need to help them, Trudy. Show us what you got in the packet.
I got 5. So we got all these parts for a card.
Oh, a lot of cards to collect.
Yeah, I got 1, 2.
So in the book you got
3 and 4.
2 cards and 3 packets. So the girls is going to see what they get inside the cards now, aren't you? Right, opening. Should you help them, sure?
Oh, there are a big bunch of cards in here.
Right, show us what kind of cards you have on.
I got this one.
Lacey got the sparkly one already. Whoa. Can you pass me a card there, love?
Here you go. And then the 2 was open.
I got this one.
We got this.
I got this.
This.
Oh,
I got
love.
this one.
Priya got that one.
And they got this one. I got
So
this
they've
one.
got the L.o.l
Look
card.
what one I got.
That's really
I
cool.
got this one.
This one.
So Trudy's going to start
I
filling
got-
them under the books.
Got this one. And I got this one. I got this one. And I got this one.
So they've got a lot of L.o.l cards to collect. They just got the one book between the 2 of them, so they can buy cards for both
Yeah.
cards.
So I got this sparkly one. I think this is from Sparkly.
So they have 8
Queen.
packs of cards, don't
I think
they?
this is from Queen Bee. I don't know.
So 4 each.
So this one.
As usual, Trudy loves doing L.o.l stuff. Okay, let's
Um,
just give you a sweet picture of what they've got
I
here
got
already.
this one. It's like kind of like a ballerina or something, or princess.
Sorry for that, but this is what they've got.
Okay, I got this
Back to
one.
daisies.
I got this.
Priya's showing us what she's got.
And the one where you can color. You can color at the back of them.
You can color at the back of
And
them,
then
they're
this
telling
one.
me. What do you think, Trudy?
This one. I have one of these.
You ready?
I got this one. Oh, it's like that. And then I have this. And then,
I think we have a
and then
20. I don't know.
Well, if we have doubles, we'll see then.
I
And then
no, we
we
don't
have
have this one.
this.
I think she's one.
and I'm going to open the rest.
Are there any more? Look at the many they have
I
already.
got this cute one. And this is her.
Trudy, many cards you
Favorite?
get in the one pack. Count one, they open them in.
6. This one.
It's very good.
Mirror.
And if it's babies, it shows the owner of the one.
That's cool. So Priya's got another packet open.
I can't show you yet.
I got this.
She can't show you, so she has them opened.
And you won't believe what one I have.
What one have you got, Priya?
Her big sister on the.
It's in the
Her
front
big
cover.
sister's on the front that is what color.
Priya must have got something really cool because she says she can't tell us.
I got this one. I have it.
You have that doll?
And I got a twin.
And look,
We got twins.
Priya's
But I
just
have
showed
it.
just the front of it, but also look at this side, it's 2-sided cards.
We got twins. I got twins.
Really cool.
And look what
She
I
got twins.
What's it in it?
I
I don't have it. I don't. Oh. Sorry. Okay, we'll have to leave this one, I guess. And then look what we have.
Oh, Priya's really.
And this one. And look what we have.
Priya really
And
enjoys
I'm
these.
coloring this.
No, don't color them.
No, they have to go in the book, Priya.
You don't color them, you keep them in the back.
You have to collect them all, do you have it all full?
And then when they're all filled, then you just.
So have we any more packets to open?
Yeah, I have one
One
more.
more packet. See, I have this one. This
I need
one.
the toilet.
Right, go you run up.
I want some to come off my.
Use the bottom one. Oh. So she's just going to go to the toilet and
So I got this
we're
one.
going to
What
continue with Lacey. Show
Priya
us.
got for her birthday. She got this one.
Lacey, Priya got that, yes?
I got this one with a red dress and a hat.
That's really cool.
I got. Oh, I
We'll
got.
have fun putting these on. Or shall we say Trudy will?
Yeah. This one.
Don't mess it
Yeah.
up.
And I've got this one.
Oh, shiny one, right,
And
Prue?
then I got the last one is mine and this one. Should I
Cool.
create and open yours?
Prue's got one packet to open, and then what?
We're gonna
We're going to go and put them in the books. Trudy has them.
What are you doing? You have to put them from there.
Trudy knows what she's doing.
I'm not gonna show you.
So, Lacey, have you anything to say?
And my screen
Not
is a
yet.
big thumbs up.
And make sure to turn on the notification bell for videos in the future.
Yeah.
Okay, she has this one. Oh, we have her big sister.
Look, we have her.
Oh, Priya has her.
Big sister. She's a big sister, but I don't know if she is.
What ones don't you have?
A little spice.
Little Spice.
Yeah.
That's Big Spice.
Little Spice and Big Spice on the
This
back
is
and
Big Spice
front.
and this is Little Spice.
So what is we guys say bye now?
Bye.